You trust me?
Of course I trust you.
Close your eyes.
Why do you want me to trust you with my eyes closed?
Close your eyes.
Is it dead?
Not hardly.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving a surprise for my friends.